If you're over 60 and your eyes feel worse in the morning than they did when you went to bed, you're not imagining things. What I'm about to share might sound too simple to be true, but there are 4 common drinks sitting right in your kitchen that could help repair and protect your vision while you sleep. Before you dismiss this as another health fad, let me ask you something personal. Have you ever woken up thinking your eyes aged overnight? That burning, gritty feeling that makes you reach for eye drops before you can even read the morning headlines? Or maybe you've given up on night driving because you just can't trust your vision in low light anymore. You're not alone in this struggle. As Dr. James Porter, I've spent over 30 years helping older adults maintain their independence and quality of life. And I can tell you that what happens to your eyes during sleep is far more important than most people realize. After age 60, your body's natural repair cycle slows down dramatically, especially in delicate areas like your retina and optic nerve. Blood circulation weakens, moisture drains faster, and instead of rest, helping your eyes recover, they're actually breaking down while you sleep. But here's what most doctors won't tell you. What you drink before bed could be either silently making this worse or finally giving your eyes exactly what they need to heal. The hidden enemy, inflammation that never sleeps. One of the biggest reasons your eyes don't feel refreshed in the morning is chronic inflammation that builds up quietly day after day. This isn't the kind of inflammation you can see or feel directly, but it's doing real damage behind the scenes. Every hour you spend looking at screens, every moment of bright sunlight exposure, even blood sugar fluctuations, and poor sleep quality contribute to this inflammatory burden. When inflammation becomes chronic, it creates a cascade of problems that directly impact your vision quality. This persistent inflammation dries your eyes out by disrupting the delicate balance of your tear film. It causes the tiny blood vessels in your eyes to stiffen and narrow, reducing the flow of oxygen and nutrients to critical areas like your retina and cornea. Most importantly, it interferes with your body's natural ability to repair the microscopic damage that accumulates throughout each day. Think of it like trying to fix a leaky roof while it's still raining. The repair work can't happen effectively when the underlying problem continues. The first drink that can help combat this silent destroyer is something warm, golden, and surprisingly powerful: turmeric milk. This isn't just another trendy health drink. It's a targeted approach to reducing the inflammation that's robbing your eyes of their natural healing ability. Turmeric contains a compound called curcumin, which has been extensively studied for its anti-inflammatory properties. But here's what makes it particularly valuable for aging eyes. Curcumin specifically helps keep the tiny blood vessels in your eyes relaxed and open, preventing the age-related stiffening that reduces circulation to your retina. When you drink turmeric milk about an hour before bed, you're giving your eyes a head start on overnight repair. The curcumin works to calm inflammation while supporting the delivery of moisture and protective antioxidants to your retina during sleep. One of my patients, Jeanette, was 71 when she started this simple routine. She'd been struggling with burning, gritty eyes every morning for months. After just 3 weeks of drinking turmeric milk before bed, she told me, "Dr. Porter, I can't believe it. The burning is gone. It doesn't feel like I'm opening sandpaper anymore." She didn't change her prescription, didn't buy expensive supplements. She just gave her eyes what they were missing: a chance to repair without fighting inflammation first. The tension your eyes carry all day. Most people think of chamomile tea as just a sleep aid, but what they don't realize is how profoundly it can help the overworked muscles and nerves behind your eyes. Every single day, your eyes perform thousands of precise movements and adjustments that you never consciously think about. Behind each eye, tiny muscles work tirelessly to help you focus, track moving objects, and keep everything properly aligned. Every time you read a book, scroll through your phone, watch television, or even glance at a clock, these muscles are firing in complex patterns. Now imagine being over 60, when muscle recovery already slows down naturally, and consider how much visual work we do in a typical day. By evening, those eye muscles are genuinely fatigued, tense, and in need of deep rest. But here's the problem. For many older adults, stress, anxiety, and low magnesium levels keep the nervous system stuck in alert mode, even at night. This means those tired eye muscles never fully release their tension, leading to that strained, tired feeling that persists even after a full night's sleep. Chamomile tea contains a powerful compound called apigenin, which scientists classify as a flavonoid. What makes apigenin special is its ability to bind to specific receptors in your brain that signal your entire nervous system to shift from tension to relaxation. This isn't like taking a sleeping pill that knocks you out. It's a gentle, gradual transition that allows your body's natural relaxation response to take over. When this happens, those tiny ocular muscles that you've been unconsciously tensing all day finally begin to unwind and release. This muscular relaxation has profound benefits for your eye health. When the muscles around your eyes are relaxed, your eyelids close more completely during sleep, creating better moisture retention. Your tears spread more evenly across the surface of your eyes, and the muscles stop pulling unnecessarily on the optic nerve and surrounding tissues. Over time, this nightly relaxation can relieve chronic eye strain, reduce early symptoms of dry eye syndrome, and even help improve your ability to focus clearly in the morning. The chamomile also provides plant-based antioxidants that help neutralize the oxidative stress caused by UV light, pollution, and blue light exposure from screens. The circulation crisis no one talks about. There's one critical aspect of aging eye health that rarely gets the attention it deserves: the gradual decline in blood circulation to your eyes. Your vision depends entirely on an incredibly rich network of microscopic blood vessels that carry oxygen, nutrients, and protective compounds directly to your retina and surrounding tissues. These vessels are so small and delicate that even minor changes in circulation can have significant impacts on your visual function. After age 60, these crucial blood vessels begin to narrow and stiffen as part of the natural aging process. The walls become less flexible, blood flow becomes sluggish, and the delivery of essential nutrients to your eyes becomes increasingly inefficient. Without adequate circulation, your eyes struggle to repair daily damage, remove waste products, and maintain the healthy cellular metabolism that clear vision requires. This is why many people notice that their night vision deteriorates, colors seem less vibrant, and visual clarity becomes inconsistent as they age. Saffron tea offers a remarkable solution to this circulation challenge. This ancient spice, derived from the Crocus sativus flower, has been used in traditional medicine for centuries, not just for its distinctive color and flavor, but for its powerful effects on microcirculation throughout the body. Modern research has now confirmed what traditional healers knew instinctively. Saffron contains two key compounds, crocin and safranal, that specifically support blood flow to the retina and improve the function of photoreceptor cells in the eye. A study published in Evidence-Based Complementary and Alternative Medicine found that adults over 60 who consumed small daily doses of saffron showed measurable improvements in visual acuity after just 14 days. The mechanism is fascinating. Crocin helps dilate those tiny blood vessels inside the eye, reducing oxidative stress in the retina while enhancing oxygen delivery during the crucial nighttime repair period. Safranal, meanwhile, has been shown to protect the delicate structure of photoreceptors, the specialized cells that convert light into the electrical signals your brain interprets as vision. One of my patients, Frank, had been avoiding night driving for years because of poor low-light vision. At 72, he told me, "I feel like I'm guessing where the lines are." After adding saffron tea to his evening routine, he experienced a gradual but significant improvement. A few weeks later, he simply said, "I'm not afraid to drive at night anymore." That might sound like a small change, but for someone in their 70s, being able to drive safely at night represents freedom, independence, and confidence in their own capabilities. The overnight repair your eyes desperately need. While most people think of almond milk simply as a dairy substitute, it actually contains three critical components that aging eyes desperately need for effective overnight repair: vitamin E, healthy fats, and the amino acid tryptophan. Understanding how these work together reveals why this simple drink can be so powerful for maintaining vision quality as you age. Vitamin E is a fat-soluble antioxidant, which means it doesn't just circulate through your bloodstream and disappear. Instead, it actually integrates into the fatty layers of your eye tissues, where it provides long-lasting protection against oxidative damage. As you get older, oxidative stress builds up inside your eyes like a slow rusting process, accelerated by UV light exposure, elevated blood sugar, and the natural aging process itself. This oxidative damage affects both your retina and lens, contributing to everything from dry eyes to early cataract formation. What makes vitamin E particularly valuable is that it continues working even while you sleep. In fact, your eyes do most of their critical repair work at night when you're not actively using them for reading, focusing, or tracking movement. During these quiet hours, vitamin E helps neutralize harmful free radicals and supports the healthy regeneration of damaged tissues. It's like having a night shift of cellular repair workers who can do their job more effectively when they have the right tools. The healthy monounsaturated fats in almond milk serve a crucial but often overlooked function. They dramatically improve the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins like A, D, E, and K. Without adequate healthy fats in your system, many of the nutrients your eyes need simply pass through your body without being absorbed and utilized. But when you provide those fats, the nutrients get delivered where they're needed most, into the delicate membranes and tissues of your eyes. Tryptophan, the amino acid most famous for making people sleepy after Thanksgiving dinner, plays a more sophisticated role in eye health than most people realize. Tryptophan helps your body produce melatonin, the hormone that regulates your sleep-wake cycle. But melatonin isn't just about sleep. Research has shown that it also helps regulate intraocular pressure and may protect against retinal degeneration over time. When you drink almond milk before bed, you're not just promoting better sleep. You're creating the ideal chemical environment for your eyes to repair and restore themselves during the night. Putting it all together, your personalized evening routine. Now that you understand how each of these drinks supports your eye health in different ways, let me show you how to use this knowledge practically and effectively. The key is not to overwhelm yourself by trying to do everything at once, but to choose the right drink based on what your eyes seem to need most on any given evening. If you're consistently waking up with burning, dry, or irritated eyes, that's typically a sign that inflammation is interfering with your natural repair processes. This is when turmeric milk becomes your best ally. Prepare it by warming a cup of milk, dairy, or plant-based, and stirring in half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, a pinch of black pepper, which dramatically increases curcumin absorption, and a small amount of healthy fat like coconut oil or ghee. The black pepper contains piperine, which can increase curcumin absorption by up to 2,000%, making this simple addition crucial for effectiveness. When you're dealing with visual tension and strain, especially after long hours looking at screens or during periods of high stress, chamomile tea becomes your evening medicine. Use pure chamomile without additives or sweeteners and steep it for at least 8 to 10 minutes to allow the apigenin to fully release into the water. Drink it about 30-60 minutes before bed, giving your nervous system time to respond and begin the relaxation process. For issues with night vision, blurriness, or the halos and haziness that often develop with age, saffron tea can help improve blood flow to your retina. Remember that saffron is potent. Just a few threads steeped in hot water for 10-15 minutes is sufficient. More is definitely not better with this spice, and using too much can actually cause side effects like nausea or dizziness. If you're struggling with both sleep quality and eye fatigue, warm almond milk provides the perfect combination of nutrients to support both needs. Choose unsweetened almond milk and warm it gently, not to a boiling point, but to a comfortable drinking temperature. A small glass of about half a cup provides enough vitamin E, healthy fats, and tryptophan to be effective without causing digestive discomfort or frequent nighttime bathroom trips. The timing of when you drink any of these beverages is crucial for optimal results. Plan to have your chosen drink 60-90 minutes before you intend to go to sleep. This timing allows your body to absorb the beneficial compounds, begin the relaxation process, and avoid the disruption of needing to use the bathroom in the middle of the night. Keep the temperature warm but not scalding hot, as gentle warmth helps signal to your body that it's time to wind down and prepare for rest. Your eyes deserve this simple gift. Your eyes have worked tirelessly for you throughout your entire life, processing millions of images, adapting to countless lighting conditions, and providing you with the gift of sight that connects you to the world around you. After 60, they need more support than ever before, but that support doesn't have to be complicated, expensive, or overwhelming. These 4 simple drinks, turmeric milk for inflammation, chamomile tea for tension relief, saffron tea for circulation, and almond milk for overnight repair, represent a gentle, natural approach to supporting your vision during the crucial nighttime hours when healing occurs. You don't need to be perfect with this routine, and you don't need to follow a rigid schedule. Simply start with one drink that addresses your most pressing concern. Prepare it mindfully and give your eyes the gift of targeted nourishment while you rest. The goal isn't to chase perfection or follow complex protocols. It's about giving your eyes a little extra help when they're off duty, allowing them to recover more effectively while you sleep so you can wake up with less strain, clearer vision, and more confidence in your daily activities. Sometimes the most powerful changes come from the simplest actions, taken consistently with purpose and care. Your eyes have carried you through decades of experiences, and they deserve this gentle support as you move forward into your golden years. Tonight, choose one of these healing drinks, prepare it slowly and mindfully, and let it work quietly in the background while you rest. Your future self and your vision will thank you for this simple act of self-care.